Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce you FreeRTOS and how to create task and send message to task. Okay, let's do it. So first, if you want to download the code, please find here and go to SDK. And you will find example code. So Bluetooth, yeah, this one. And open the code. We open this code. And okay, let's start. So first, we want to create a task. So this is a task. This is like task. So we want to create a task. Okay, how to create a task? So you must define one thread ID and go next. You can see this is how to create a task. So you can define a name, a stack size, and this task is priority. What is this task priority? Because based on FreeRTOS, each stack have a different priority. So always will depend on which is high priority, and will first to deal this task. Then second one, and this is define thread. So we define a thread. The main API is here. So we can find previous this one. This one is the main API. We will do this API always because this is a for loop. Always. Okay. Then finish. Then we finish to create one task. So we now see what main API do. So you can see that this is main API will wait for an event, wait for one event, and based on a FreeRTOS, this is mean will wait forever, wait for next event come in. And this is QID because event will into one queue and go to the task to execute the task, execute the event, like this concept. So this will always wait for an event and deal with the event. So we must find how to create queue and how big is this queue size. So we must have announce one QID and memory pool ID, and we define a memory pool size. So we can define this structure. Each event have its own structure, like, but the structure all the same. So rows are same structure. And we must define how big is this queue. So maybe 10, 20, 30, depend on you. So now we define one memory pool. So now go to next. Then we create a memory pool. So this is how to create one memory pool to assign to a memory pool ID. So Now we create a memory pool. So now next we create a message queue. This is a message queue, and we can define how big is this message queue. So this is a structure size, and the queue size, and the message create function API to create a message, then assign to a queue ID, then done. We create one task, and we create a queue. So if you want to send message to this task, how? Not one task want to send message to this task, and how? So this is how another task can send message to this task. So we must create one API. This is called task send. So if one message want to send to, if we want another task want to send message to me, so we create one API to that other function can call me and send message to me. So this is a event. What is this event? And the length, data length, and the message, and the content. What is the content? Then go to task send. Task send will do following task, and then other task, other message can send to me. So we get one instance. So if this task want to send to me, so call this API. We introduced this API already. So what is this event? Okay, this is the event want to Bluetooth disconnect, and the data length no, and the data null. So just send the event to control, BOE Wi-Fi control. So through this event, through this API, and the call here, and we'll go to here, we can find which event. So we can find which event. Oh, here, this one. So other task I want to send message to me, and by using this API, then call this event, then come here, I accept another event to me, and do this API, and do next action. So easy. This is today we introduce how to create one task, and create one queue, and announce its queue size. So and we also introduce one task, how to send a message to my task. All those active, all those based on FreeRTOS concept. So this is today introduced. So if you like the video, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Start creative, and I will see you next time.